In this video, you'll learn how to edit a campaign in Mailchimp effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to navigate the Mailchimp interface and make the necessary adjustments to your campaigns with ease. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. You can do this by entering the Mailchimp URL into the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Mailchimp dashboard, which provides an overview of your account and campaigns. Next, locate the campaigns option in the left-hand side menu. This section lists all of your existing campaigns. Clicking on campaigns will redirect you to a page displaying the campaigns you have created. Ensure you are on the correct page before proceeding. After that, find the specific campaign you wish to edit from the list. Scroll through the campaigns until you identify the one you want to modify. It is important to click on the correct campaign, as any changes made will affect the selected one. Once you have selected the desired campaign, look for the Actions button located near the top right of the campaign details. Clicking on Actions will present a drop-down menu with several options related to the campaign. Following that, select the Edit option from the drop-down menu. This action will open the campaign editor, allowing you to make changes to the content and settings of your campaign. You should see various editing tools and options appear on your screen. Keep in mind that if your campaign contains large media files or complex elements, it may take additional time for the editor to load completely. Ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid interruptions during this process. As you make your edits, remember to save your changes periodically. Look for the Save button typically located in the top right corner of the editor. This ensures that your modifications are not lost. After saving, you can preview your campaign to see how it will appear to your audience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.